Hey guys, today I'm going to be running through how you can integrate Hashconnect into a Svelte app. Now, this is something that I tried to do a couple of days ago, didn't have any success, and then I reached out to some people and they helped me out. So this is not all me. I can't take all credit for this. But yeah, essentially there's a few little differences which you need to do, which you wouldn't when doing something like a React app. Which is what most of my videos are using, but I'm learning about Svelte. I think it's really good. So I've just used the Svelte Kit app. So using just installing it this way. I'll also put the link to Svelte on the bio and the description. But yeah, essentially there's like two kind of versions of Svelte. There's the fully in version 1, which is kind of similar to like npx create React app. And then there's the Svelte Kit, which is more similar to something like Next.js. It's like a framework built on top of the library in order to make it a bit more usable for kind of like production apps. But let's get into it. This isn't enough of me waffling. This is basically the structure of our site. So at the moment we've only got one page. We've got this just index page here with a button. So all it shows is a button connecting to on click a pair hashpack function, which I've written over in this. There we go, written over here. So yeah, so it's just basically like a bog standard function. Cool Hashconnect new. I'm done it in TypeScript for this as well, so I've got all of the data types, but just the classic init data, await Hashconnect init, then sending out the ping in the found extension .once event hashconnect.connect to local wallet. So yeah, it's just the basic stuff. However, this unfortunately doesn't work. So if I pull up our the app, we're getting this unexpected token export from Hashconnect. Now, the way to fix this issue is by going into our pair hashpack function, and as opposed from importing it in this way, we actually want to import it in a slightly different way. So we're going to be saying const hashconnect equals, and then we're going to be saying await import Hashconnect, and I'll get rid of that. But essentially, by importing it in this way, we're doing it. I think when it's packing everything server side before it's actually been put onto the web, my understanding is that Svelte doesn't package this particular format very well. But whether it's because of it not having like in the package.json for the Hashconnect package.json, it doesn't have type module. It doesn't say that it's a module JavaScript, but it's using kind of the module ES6 syntax. So basically Svelte doesn't really like it. However, when you import it in this way, which is after it's been clicked and after the page has been loaded, when we're then dealing with the web browser, then this is like a little work around it. So that makes it work. Next thing is if we now it's working, as you can see. However, if we click pair, global is not defined. So again, another little work around this is to go into our app.html, and what we want to say is we want to add a script tag in here, and we want to say if type of window equals type of global, equals undefined, then we want to set global to equal the window. That's just off memory. And then, awesome. Okay, so that worked. So you didn't see it pop up because it's on my other monitor, but Hashconnect did pop up. If I then put in the password, boom, approve, and there we go. All of our stuff from our function is logging off nicely. So yeah, it's I just remember when I was doing it, there was quite why isn't it working? What's happening? But yeah, as you can see, it's pretty straightforward, simple fixes. So yeah, give this video a like if it helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.